Hello everyone, welcome to Connect with Thoughts. I'm going to tell you about the Google Sheet. If you're using the Google Sheet in your daily work and facing a problem while formatting the database, and you might be seeing a lot of blank row or empty space and you want it to remove, but you are doing all such things manually. So we have a one tool available in the Google Sheet which will allow you to delete all the blank row in a one time, so you do not need to spend a lot of time to doing manual thing. So here is the blank sheet, and I have added the dummy data. So the data is not much, but a lot of people must be having too much data, maybe more than 1,000, 100, 300. So in that case, if you are doing all the things manually, so it would take a lot of time. If you see in the fourth number, this is the blank row, and if you delete one by one, so it would take a lot of time to format your data. So I would give you a way so that you could remove all such blank row within a couple of minutes. So what how you can remove such thing. So just like this is the database. Okay, so you have to find the tool in the extension, click on extension and click on add-on and get add-ons. So if you are already having the add-on of removing the blank row, so you will be seeing in the manage section. And if you haven't added any such add-ons, so you have to get the add-ons first. So here in the search bar, you have to find out in the marketplace of Google Workshop. Remove blank rows. Click, and you will see a couple of tools which are all similar to removing the blank row. So you could find out and you could download anything as per the number of downloaded number and number of the star has given to tool. So which one suits best for you, so you can download. I go with this one. Install and continue with your Gmail account which you're using. Now we have added the add-on in our Google Drive. Now we have installed the tool. You can see here in the menu section. If you go in the, you can see here also the power tools we installed earlier to removing the blank row. So how to use this tool? So click on the tool name and go to quick action, and here is the thing, remove blanks. There are four ways you could do changes on your database. So first is remove all empty rows, remove all empty columns, remove unused rows, remove unused columns. So whatever the things best for your database, so you can choose such options. So I'll go with remove all empty rows. If you could see, it worked in the real time. So earlier you were seeing a couple of blank rows, so now it's removed completely. I hope it would be useful for your work. Thank you so much. If anyone has any questions, so you could ask me over the comment section. Thank you so much.